Your phone isn't the problem. Your life just isn't spicy enough. Am I violating you? Maybe. But the whole reason I'm saying this is because I have been there, doom scrolling like an Olympic gold medalist, dopamine in the bin, and wondering why I felt like a background NPC in my own movie. But that's exactly why I decided to make this video. Because once I learned how to make real life more addictive than my phone, it was game over. Let me show you exactly how to flip that switch GK style. Your screen gives you predictable hits. No effort, no resistance, no random plot twists. It's the fast food of your attention, and fast food is fucking beautiful until it bloats your brain with regret. And your stomach, of course. Fucking fast. But in real life, you can cook up something as addictive. You just need structure. Here's exactly how I did it. Mornings. Treat your mornings like mission briefings. Same time, same ritual. Turn habits into quests. So by tracking XP, leveling up, even keeping a progress journal. I mean, if you train 5 times this week, that means you gain 5 XP towards your strength. On 10 workouts, on 10 XP, you level up from level 1 to level 2. Treat it like a video game. And finally, celebrating progress like a Call of Duty tactical nuke inbound. You see, when life gives you feedback, you stop craving these fake wins, these fake dopamine hits. Let's make progress the new pleasure by redirecting it. But you may be wondering, GK, how do I redirect it? I got you, man. Just keep watching. Alright, let's clear this up. You don't need to go crazy extreme monk mode, start living in a cave, eating bugs, and never seeing women again. Because let's be honest, women are fucking beautiful. You just need to trade in and replace cheap dopamine that makes you proud. For example, in the gym, I started listening to anime hardstyle. My soul just raged when I was training and I felt like an anime character exploding. I gave myself XP for doing the boring stuff. For example, reading, journaling, and meditating. And what this meant is that I leveled up. And by this, I made hard feel rewarding instead of draining. And guess what happened? You know that little minor buzz you get from that 10-second dopamine hit when you're doom scrolling? I didn't even find that enjoyable anymore. Why? Because I found a better high from the things that I was achieving in real life, in the real world. Shout out Andrew Tate. So the thing is, you're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to feeling something. So if you're addicted to feeling something, now it's time to upgrade the source. Ask yourself this. If someone filmed your day from the minute that you woke up to the minute that you slept, would it be worth watching? And this flipped the game for me. Because if someone was watching your 24 hours, what would they be watching? For younger me, it would just be, oh God, I don't even know where to start. Chicken chips, PMO to the most randomest videos on earth. Yeah, that's embarrassing. Let's hope no one ever watches that movie of younger me. And this mindset flipped the game for me. My walk, it felt cinematic. My workout, underdog arc, I'm training like I'm Rocky. Me journaling in silence, anime filler episode with personal development. And when I stopped escaping my life and instead started redirecting it, every moment started to feel worthy of showing up for. And always think about this. If someone was watching your movie, what would they be screaming out to you? They'd probably be screaming out to you like, bro, you have so much potential, get up, come on, you got this. Think about it that way. Let's not lie. We all love the fire emojis, the likes, the validation, the you up messages. Don't ever fall for that again, bro. You know the funny thing is, I fell for that recently. But what I can promise to you is that one deep conversation with your bro, shout out my brother X, is way better than 100 likes on Instagram. One real life compliment is way better than 30 people retweeting your posts. One circle that genuinely checks up on you and cares for your progress, that's a game changer. I don't always have that, to be honest with you. So what do? I built it, and you can join for free, where we have like-minded individuals like you and I. And plus, I got some productivity self-improvement videos up there for you to be enjoying. So first link in the description, and I'll catch you there, my guy. If scrolling is the highlight of your day, your life is fucking shit and is broken. So what we need is a system. Boredom is not a bug. It's a message from your brain telling you, yo, we've got work to do. We've got something to do. I got that message loud and clear by my brain when I was watching these day in the life videos, Ashton Hall type shit. And my brain's telling me, bro, you're watching all of these day in the life, spending your day in the life, watching someone else's day in the life. Why don't you spend your day in the life doing your day in the life? Doesn't that make more sense? So what I did was I built my own day in the life. What would I like to do? I started scripting, I started editing, I started building. Suddenly, I wasn't escaping, I was expanding. So boredom doesn't mean that you suck. Your brain's telling you you've got potential. Your brain's telling you go out and get shit done, you fucking neek. You get it now? You see, if you're watching videos like this, I don't think you're lazy. If anything, I think you're a very ambitious individual. You just haven't been shown how to win the game of life yet. And that changes today. Set up one XP system, redirect just one dopamine hit, and join a circle that will keep you accountable. Comment down below with one upgrade that you'll be making today in order to make real life way more addictive than your phone. Smash the like button, subscribe, share the video to your friend who's probably a doom scroller, and remember, your decisions today will define your tomorrow.